Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we are going to be painting this Lexus. We had a side swipe damage, so we had to replace the front door and repair the rear door. The front door I jammed earlier, the body tech installed it, repaired the rear door according to the new door. So the car's masked up, it's clean, ready to go. We're going to spray our base coat. We'll do 2 medium wet coats of clear, put it back together, and alright guys, the Lexus LS is painted, clear coated, man, came out beautiful. Clear laid out nicely. Our body work looks perfect on the rear door. Can't tell that it was repaired. Front door is new, blended the fender, looks beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot more new and exciting projects coming up, so you do not want to miss it. That is it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.